Hey there, it's Erica, and welcome to my channel, where I explore the world's most beautiful beaches. Today, we're walking along this breathtaking shoreline in Spain. As we start our journey, I can't help but notice the warm golden sand beneath my feet. The sun is shining brightly, and the sky is a brilliant shade of blue. As we move further down the beach, we can see families building sandcastles and children splashing in the waves. It's such a joy to see everyone enjoying this beautiful day. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the stunning view of the turquoise waters. Look at how the waves gently crash against the shore, creating a soothing melody. It's incredible how the ocean's colors change as we walk, transitioning from deep blue to a mesmerizing shade of green. As we continue our stroll, we come across a group of locals playing beach volleyball. It's fascinating to watch them in action, expertly leaping and diving to keep the ball in play. Nearby, a talented sand artist is sculpting an intricate castle, complete with towers and turrets. I'm amazed by the level of detail and the skill required to create such a masterpiece. Further along, we find a quaint beachside cafe where we can take a break and enjoy a refreshing drink. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and delicious pastries fills the air, tempting us to indulge in a tasty treat. As we sip our drinks, we can't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to experience such a beautiful and vibrant location. Before we end our walk, let's take a moment to explore the rocky outcropping at the edge of the beach. The view from here is absolutely breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the entire shoreline.